Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do a no makeup look. So let's get started.
First of all, take Assure Purifying Cleanser plus Toner. This one product will do the work of two products. That is first cleanser and then toner. The application is very easy. You can take the product on a tissue or take it directly in hands and then apply it in this manner. Later on, clean it with the wet tissue. Make sure you have cleaned it properly. Then take primer. I have taken Swiss Beauty Primer. Apply it at the area where you have pores. After proper application, make sure it has blended properly in the skin. Now take neutralizer, which is also known as color corrector. Apply it at the dark spots and under eye of the skin. And then blend it properly. This will create an equal skin tone of the face. Then take a BB cream. I have taken Assure BB cream which has SPF 30. This is also 2-in-1. You don't have to apply foundation and concealer and just apply Assure BB cream which will give you a perfect finish look. And this product is also highly recommendable because I use it in my daily life too. As I have a oily skin, I have to apply powder, but those who don't have a oily skin, have a dry skin, then it needs not to be applied. And now it's eyeshadow time. Take any nude shade eyeshadow. Then take a corner brush and form a half wing. Then eyeshadow defining. Then eyebrows define with black and brown shade. Don't take a lot of shade, just make it happen that it looks natural. Later on, take liner and form that exact half wing. Then apply mascara. Now it's blusher time. Make sure you apply the blusher in an upward direction if you are chubby too. Now there are two shades. You can take a dark shade and a light one too. I have chose the light shade. And it's done.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe because it means a lot to me. And yes, don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you.